हे प्रभु, हमें असत्य से सत्य की ओर, अंधकार से ज्योति की ओर और मृत्यु से अमृत की ओर ले चलो. Today, in this pandemic situations, I want to say something, I want to produce something which I have made it on myself. Actually, in 2012, I got my knee replacement done. After that, I was totally out in depression because whole year I was on wheelchair. My knees did not really work out very well, and I thought my life is going to end like this. These are the carom leaves, good for cold and cough. These are the curry leaves, which eliminates bacteria, reduce stress, heals wounds, burns the eruptions and eruptions. These are the moringa leaves, which prevents and treats cancer, fights against bacteria, diseases, protects liver, healthy for bones, treats edema and relieves pain of the body. These are the spices. This is cinnamon powder. I have made it at home. This is the cumin powder, very good for digestion and rich source of iron. Now I am taking carom seeds powder. This is the carom seeds powder. It has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, improves cholesterol level and relieves indigestion. I am taking the black pepper, high in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, improves brain function, improves insulin and sensitivity, and also helps in premature aging. This is fresh turmeric. This relieves arthritis pain and knee pain, reduces risk of cancer, improves liver function. This is fresh ginger, curbs morning sickness, prevents heart disease, reduces risk of diabetes, relieves from pain. Fresh lemon, which prevents asthma, boosts immune, lowers the blood pressure, helps to prevent kidney stones, increases iron absorptions, helps in weight loss, and is good source of vitamin C. This is honey, which is rich in antioxidants, lowers triglycerides, helps to lower blood pressure. Triglycerides are the fat in the body which comes from oil, butter, ghee, etc. Tulsi leaves, hyaluronic acid, which helps in reducing stress, diabetes, high blood pressure, fights allergies, infections, and pathogens. Pathogens means virus and bacteria. These all are from my terrace garden, and these are all organic. The moringa leaves, they are all organic. In case if you don't have the moringa leaves, you can buy it from Amazon, the organic moringa leaves powder. This is, of course, curry leaves, which is from my own terrace garden, and I have made it totally organic. They are all organic. Now I am putting on the carom leaves, which is also from my own terrace garden. minimum 15 pieces for one person. Now I'm putting the turmeric in this. Putting the ginger. Now I'm putting everything into the mixer. Nearly 3 cups of water, enough for 3 people. I am also going to put some tulsi leaves, which is also from my own garden. Now I am going to churn them. Heat it. I have boiled it for 30 minutes. Now it is okay. Yeah, it is done. This is prepared for the drink. You can call it kadha. I'm going to sheave it. This is my kettle, and it gets sheaved very easily. My day used to start with medicines. Pan 40, painkillers, antibiotics, these medicines for sinuses, for nasal drops. This is my puff, which I used to have it because of bronchitis and asthma. And plenty of the times I had to go to the nursing home. I was deeply I was in depression. But slowly, these herbs and spices, which is from India itself, has given me my life. No need, I have just stopped taking all the medicines, and I am depending on this herbal tea, you can call it, kadha, you can call it, which is even helping me in this pandemic situations. You won't imagine, I had the teeth problem during this time. Just a month before, I had to go to the dentist for extraction of my tooth. Now, it was like I had taken that risk at this age of mine. I ate so many of the ice creams after that because I was totally in belief that this is going to help me in this pandemic situations. My grandchildren, my son, everyone has started taking this. My son was suffering with high blood sugar. My children, my grandchildren, they are really very upset, but this thing is giving them the immune to fight in this situation. I don't know how it is going to work out for people, those who are suffering with thyroids, because I had been suffering with asthma, I had been suffering with bronchitis, I had been suffering with anosmia, I had been suffering with spondylosis, I had been suffering with sinuses, I had the forgetfulness. At one point of time, with anosmia, I lost my sense of smell. And now, everything is coming back onto me. So no need of I have forgotten to take the medicines. At night, I used to have Rentac, but now no need. This has helped me a lot. I do not know if this can help other people too, because this is giving me immune to work, to stand on my own feet now properly without the stick. I am walking. Of course, I can't run, but yes, without the stick, I can go up and down on the stairs. Now, how I take this? Now I'm putting on, squeezing the lemon, which is from my own garden. This is 2 small lemons have given me this much of juices. I love to take this forest honey. One whole spoonful of forest honey I'm taking. This is getting sheaved. Now I'll be taking this drink. But only one thing is there, whether this is going to be suitable for the people, those who are alcoholic or those who are having the smoking habits or not, I'm not very sure about. This is for the old aged people. This works out very well. Now I am going to have this tea, but of course, when you have this tea, you should not sit for 1 hour under the fan or in AC. Neither you should drink water after that. No frozen water, no freezed water should be taken. Not even simple water should be taken, at least for 1 hour. So I love to take it at night, because in the morning hours it's not possible. We all take it at night and go to sleep. It tastes yummy. It doesn't taste bad.